Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of historical calendar applications available for Android devices. A historical calendar application is a tool designed for Android devices that provides users with a comprehensive view of historical events, significant dates, and important milestones throughout history. These applications typically feature an intuitive interface that allows users to navigate through different time periods, view detailed descriptions of events, and learn about notable figures. The best historical calendar applications often include interactive elements, such as timelines, maps, and multimedia content, enhancing the learning experience. They may also allow users to customize their experience by selecting specific themes or subjects of interest, such as world history, cultural events, or scientific achievements. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of historical calendar apps. See you in the next video.